My name, my pain, always in close range to the rage that aches, to flame the anger that awaits, call it my bad traits. As I sat on isolate, I train my mind to blank every picture image like a shrink. Now I'm feared as a menace, pinned to the spot, it'll never stop till my body drops. Wishing me dead like I do for the cops, giving back what's been received. Dumb harm, let the bleed, no exception for the weak. It's in my mean, knife to your spleen. As I lay wide awake with restraints that hold this weight, tormented by the days in my life that I hate, followed by the leave my fate. But just in case, I hold that peace at my waist. Yeah, you call it peace of mind, I call it piece of cake. When I aim that thing, 45 cal, ain't no more player. Now I rearrange the way you think, take that piece you had and make it shrink. By the time you blink, you'll think this is a dream. While you're wishing streams, make sure you wish for me, cause your ass is history. Here to blast you with my misery, call me a bastard, got beat, came out with victory to make you see, placed in infantry. Made me stronger physically and mentally, you just can't get to me, but the rest you know. Every true color shows and the rage will grow to let you know. Don't fuck with what may explode, and if you ever know that blow, I just pray for you, there is no remorse. Just pull the cord and hit the course, and hit the shore. Now it's time for war, try to drown me out, karma has its course. Destined for harm, instincts going off like an alarm. You know it's on my heart is strong and will is supreme. Meant for me, defeat, I rebel to destiny. The neglect reflected me, but beat me to better me. Insecure, showing I was premature, endured into this cycle of impure pain I passion for. I just keep stacking more, retracted core like the best you bashing for. My shit isn't that average acting course, but actual factual, ask them more. I did the hard part, you just get the tour, with the pleasure in it as a defendant. The kid who rips it like infringement, condemned him before he knew he was sinning, but I only knew what I was living. So what's the difference? You and your kid are perfect shape, I'm deformed to be thrown away. You and your kid are meant for great, and I'm meant to self-endure all the hate. Look at my face and fucking break, now that I know what you said was fake. I've grown ahead of all of you who spewed. I was through to dedicate my pain in waves, how I feel today. Better after all the years of pain, memories got me ball and chain. Ask me why I'm hard today, fall away and all I say, fall away and all I say. Y'all the blame, never will it change. Like blood running through my veins, cut myself open to show the thuggy frame. D buds a name where it rains, ashes and disaster happens like walking in front of a train. Tripped and fell, welcome to my hell where I dwell in a cell. What the fuck you know about yourself? Never got to be it, so I'm without a soul that got deleted like grievances. Need this kid to use like a basket, ask for a better life, but that shit doesn't happen. I guess I'm just the aftermath, and I hear the voices in my head just laughing. Ain't no need for an acting. You can take my heart, my mind, my body and soul, I'm letting go. Just spitting flows to let you know. You can take my heart, my mind, my body and soul, I'm letting go. Just spitting flows to let you know. To fuck with what you know, I'm the one that's grown cold all alone. You can take my heart, my mind, my body and soul, I'm letting go. Just spitting flows to let you know. To fuck with what you know, I'm the one that's grown cold all alone. All alone. You can take my heart, my mind, my body and soul, I'm letting go. Just spitting flows to let you know. To fuck with what you know, I'm the one that's grown cold all alone. You can take my heart, my mind, my body and soul, I'm letting go. Just spitting flows to let you know. To fuck with what you know, I'm the one that's grown cold all alone. All alone. Words of expression, new piece to the picture as I get at you with my heart I slid at you. How many different ways I could've slid it, yeah. Leave it that slide for what I got for each of you that I plot to assault. Like slaughter has no heart. Blame me, I'm already at fault. As a rug call, married to this dark hallway that I'm walking all day. Always to a Mars type of pain, like I parlay and it'll feel the same. Maybe y'all cut it deeper, but I need a sharper blade. Know me for a day, ask me why I'm still in pain. I live through the hate, moved by the rage, no way to were tame, embarrassed throughout a shame. Now I'm nothing but in the rain. So much loss, more to lose, never gain but pain. Days in my life depressed as hell, grounded to a room like a cell. Sometime I shouldn't have to dwell, focus on too much of what I felt. Didn't have the drugs then, these times of help in the mirror. See, all I got is myself. A child's mother dies, all he repeats is her cries. Known only for a brief time, but love to death, no lie. Witnessing crimes, making it through hazardous times. Made us one like we were combined. It took 2, now 3, 4 lives. As a type of woman, person, woman, mother, she was all inclined. Torch for a torn, a fourth is mine. Blown to the sky, looking in it and I see her eyes. All I see is dark clouds, how I might die. God keeps his hands on my shoulder, looking out for a lonely soldier. A father I never knew I had, looking over. An orphan loner grows colder. Father, I don't need you. You took what mattered, looking closer, looking closer. The heart is young but dark, like the lungs of a smoker. Blown away, what's left to be of a hoper. As a dope deforms, yeah, absorbing it all like a super soaker. But numb to being high, facing it sober. I'm going back to get support like California. No one said it would wear off to bring back feelings lost. Fuck, I'm looking to be gone in the land of the lost. These painkillers, I need to stay frost. What's a payoff? Become a drug dealer, stay lost. Days forgot as a day's off. Paid off for the things I watched like a movie. How wrong my own fam can do me. Hung myself and had 2 aunts bumping to me. Say oopsie, keep pulling like a bully. Your death is a duty. It'll be better off for us all, truthfully. Going back, it's like a movie to see where I went. How they been to notice how they do me like the noose is free. I'm used to them and how they did, watching how I've lived. It's a twist like a slit across a wrist. I'm sure they wish, but I got to exist to tell them how it is without the 2 cents. Trying to cover shit like a lid. I'm done with your shit and how you did. You don't have a lip, but the zip since a kid. I remember it all like a fence that surrounds me with a lens that replays again and again with no interruptions. That surrounds me with a lens that replays again and again with no interruptions. You can take my heart, my mind, my body and soul, I'm letting go. Just spitting flows to let you know. You can take my heart, my mind, my body and soul, I'm letting go. Just spitting flows to let you know. To fuck with what you know. I'm the one that's grown cold all alone. You can take my heart, my mind, my body and soul, I'm letting go. Just spitting flows to let you know. To fuck with what you know. I'm the one that's grown cold all alone. All alone. You can take my heart, my mind, my body and soul, I'm letting go. Just spitting flows to let you know. To fuck with what you know. I'm the one that's grown cold all alone. You can take my heart, my mind, my body and soul, I'm letting go. Just spitting flows to let you know. To fuck with what you know. I'm the one that's grown cold all alone. All alone.